Today, there are more than 8 billion connected products in the world. 69% of smart device users worry about being hacked and about the safety of their data. 90% of consumers believe that it is important that connected devices have their own security system. The number of connected objects is growing exponentially and might reach 40 billion by 2025. Now is the time to trust the right products. But how can people know if it is really safe to use a connected device?
Hi, I'm Michael Jensen, Global Marketing Lead for UL Cybersecurity, and I'm proud to announce UL's IoT Security Rating. Our IoT Security Rating solution helps companies demonstrate their product cybersecurity to the marketplace through a 5-level scale: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Why is this important? Achieving UL's IoT Security Rating helps verify the security efforts built into connected products.
We believe UL third-party verification helps Somfy continue to put our customers' peace of mind first, while delivering a comfortable, safe, and secure smart home experience. At Somfy, we have spent the last 50 years committed to creating reliable and sustainable solutions, with extensive security practices and capabilities built into our product development process. Ensuring the security of our smart home product is an essential part of that commitment. We have the pleasure of announcing that both TaHoma Switch, our brand new smart control, and the connectivity kit, our new connected gateway, have been verified for UL IoT Security Rating with a gold level rating. This rating helps demonstrate the implementation of diverse cybersecurity requirements such as secure updates and connection, access control, stored and transmitted data security, and more. With TaHoma Switch and the connectivity kit, enjoy the comfort of smart home without worrying about your security.